To turn on or turn off mobile hotspot power saving mode in Samsung Galaxy S10. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Tap Connections. Tap Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Tap Mobile Hotspot. Tap More icon. Tap Configure Mobile Hotspot. Scroll down. Check power saving mode to turn on, or uncheck to turn off. Tap Save. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.